Checking what's going on in the crypto market, man. So I am here on CoinGecko and I am looking at what is going on in the market, guys. So we can go right here, cryptocurrencies by market cap. Okay. So you can see in the last 7 days, you can see, guys, what does that chart show you? That it's going up. That's the Bitcoin right there. Ethereum is now at 2,075. That is a 12.9% gain in the last 7 days. Bitcoin is at 37,143. That's a 6.9% gain. So that means if for the last 7 days, if you had put $1,000, you would have gained at least 6.9%. That gives you about what? What is 6.9% of 1,000, guys? Where are the mathematicians? Mathematicians? What is that, guys? Like what? How much would you have made? $69, guys? 6.9% of 1,000? Yeah, right? $69, guys. Okay, in the 1 week. If you had $1,000, so then you can look at your targets. How much did you have to put? Let's say if you needed to make 690, you needed $10,000 in your account in terms of Bitcoin. If you needed 6,900, you needed 100K. So that's how it works. Okay, 12.9% for Ethereum. Guys, you can see that if you had $1,000 worth of Ethereum, you would have made 129. If you had 10,000, you would have made 1,290. So mathematics, just simple calculations, guys. And you can see like this one here, Solana. Okay, guys, in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Sol, because somebody is asking how can they buy Sol. You can just start staking this, okay? Staking is basically just buying it and holding it, okay? Just buy and hold. And just see what is going on in the market. This has gained 42. Man, so if you had $1,000 worth of Sol, you'd be at $423 in 7 days. That is a massive, massive gain, guys. But by the way, guys, I got this as a present from one of my subscribers on YouTube. They sent me this. You can see that Tom Ford Wood Oud perfume. They finally sent me that. So I am unboxing this. You can see that's a new one. So I'm just going to unbox this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I am unboxing this. So this is just give us a break from the markets. So these are some of the things I do when I want to take a break from trading, crypto, stocks, Forex, binary options, digital marketing. So you take a break, go ahead and unbox this. Let's see. Oh, man. Let's see if we can unbox that. There we go. There you go. That's how it is. Okay. All right. So that's Tom Ford. You can see that. Tom Ford. And there you go. There it is, guys. Look at that. Whew. Look at that. Thank you so much, Miss Anonymous, Mr. Anonymous. See that? Man, that smells good. That smells so good, guys. All right, so I went ahead and boxed that, and there you go. That's it. Tom Ford. Okay, done, guys. So let's get back to the market and let's see what are we planning to do here. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually trade this. You know the way you trade Forex? We can show you how to trade this. And the platform that I use is Bybit. I'm going to put the link in the description, guys. So go ahead and open an account with Bybit. So in my next training, I'm going to show you how you can start trading crypto, because a lot of you guys are asking me, how can you get these goals? How can you make at least $2,500 per month just trading crypto alone? Some of you want to do that in a month. Some of you want to do that in a day. It's possible, 24/7. Okay, so if we bring up a good old calculator here, Okay, and one of my students is saying that's their goal. So if you do 2,500, good old calculator. Okay, there you go. Let's go back. $2,500 a day. Do that in 365, because with crypto you can trade 24/7. That's almost 912,000. Add your, let's say, 100,000 K per year income or salary from your job, your 9 to 5, man, you're already sitting at $1 million, because you'll only be doing this part-time. Okay, and I can show you how you can do this hands-free. You know, you have bots trading for you, and the platform that we use for that is Mizar. Okay, some of you are aware. This one right here, Mizar. I'm going to show you how to set this up. So watch out for the next training, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, follow and share. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the training here now. Thank you, guys.